Hola everyone, Angel Leo here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Angel Leo. I am a lifestyle blogger and I also make lifestyle videos. So if you think you are in the right channel, click that subscribe button down there and click that bell button just so you can get notified whenever I upload videos. Let's head on to the video. So guys, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 creative ideas on how you can level up your Instagram stories just by using the Instagram app. First, I have 10 photos to edit for you guys, so I'm going to be editing it in 10 different ways. I've already exported all the photos from Adobe Lightroom. If you are interested on how I edit my photos, that's going to be a whole different video, and watch out for that video. So if you want to learn about this, just keep on watching. First, I'm going to be using a photo of me and my friend Chao Campo. Then you can type anything that you want, any quote that you want.
Sleep. I don't like that you know my order when we're out to eat and you pay for me. Cause I don't wanna be someone loving, looking dumb.
So after doing the Life's a Wave catch it, I'm gonna use the eraser tool to erase the middle part of what you've written catch. And then I'm gonna type catch again with spacing.
Every time you come in, I push you out, saying I don't want you.
And then I'm gonna use the highlighter tool and catch some colors. And then I'm gonna draw a wave.
You, ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, ooh. I don't like when you look at me directly in the eye with that perfect smile. And
Finally, I was able to figure out how to have that rainbow effect without typing them one by one. So I'll be using this photo of mine in Paris, and I'm gonna be typing down Paris.
But you don't care. You go on and make me feel.
Then highlight the text and choose a color and hold. We're needing 2 fingers because you will be dragging across the colors and the text at the same time. First, the letter S will be purple, and then I'm gonna go on to letter I. I'm gonna make that pink. And then I'm gonna go to letter R. I'm gonna make it a bit peachy. Next would be, let's put that on top of the white one just so the lettering won't really blend in on the background. I want to add bonjour on this. After typing bonjour, I'm gonna be using the highlighter tool. I'm gonna pick the color that we use, and then I'm just gonna be drawing lines.
Push you out, saying I don't want you, but you know I do. I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. Ooh.
First, you have to take a photo of anything, and then you can put any solid color that you want. So next, you will have to go to your camera roll. For this one, I'm going to be using a photo of me and Brian, and I'm going to tap this one and tap copy. And then go back to the Instagram app, wait for it to pop up. There, add sticker.
Eating, you pay for me. Cause I don't wanna be someone loving, looking dumb. But you don't care. You go on and make me feel things that
now I'm gonna change the background color with a color that is in the photo. So I'm gonna choose.
I'm shutting down.
So I'm gonna add some text on it. And
saying I don't want you, but you know I do. Cause I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, ooh. I don't like when you look at me directly in the eye with that perfect smile. And I don't like all the compliments you're always giving me. Is this even real? Cause I don't wanna be that
make a new post story, so I'm gonna tap on my new post and then share it as a story, and then just how you want it to be. So first you type anything that you want and then tap the highlight. Then choose the shade that you want. After that is you highlight the text. Choose a different shade first and then choose the same shade as the box.
I love to hate you. I love you. I hate you. I love to hate. When I say I don't like you, you know I like you. I do. And when I say I don't need you, I just mean I need to take my time with you. Every time you open up, I'm shutting down. Every time you come in, I push you out, saying I don't want you, but you know I do. Cause I hate to love you, so I love to.
So I'm gonna use this screenshot of my feet, and then I'm gonna use the brush tool. You can actually use the brush tool or the highlighter tool. For this one, I want to use the brush tool in white, and then I'm gonna hold that. Then I'm gonna be using the eraser tool to draw some hearts.
I like the bed to myself. Nobody's stealing covers. I like to drink to myself.
I'm gonna use this photo of my dog named Haley, and I'm just gonna type on you had me at.
I just want somebody to talk to.
I'm gonna copy that quote and then highlight it. Choose a shade in the photo.
Just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to.
And then I'm gonna paste that wolf again, and I'm gonna choose another shade in the photo.
So I control the volume. I like to dance by myself, so I can do my own moves. No, I don't need a hand to hold.
There you've created your own drop shadow, but I wanna add more something there. So I'm gonna use the highlight tool and draw hearts using the shade that we already have.
I want something that's cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody.
Next, we'll be doing the 3D effect. So with that, I'm gonna use the brush tool, and then I'm gonna pick any shade. I'm just gonna draw a line across myself, and then I'm gonna pick another color again and draw another line.
Have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna.
I'm gonna use the eraser tool and erase the part where the lines hit the sun.
Somebody to talk to. Someone that's on my mind. I want something.
Then next, I feel like I want to add something more, so I'm gonna add a text.
Somebody. Just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to. Somebody to talk to. To talk to. I just want somebody. Just want somebody. Yeah, I just want somebody. Somebody to talk to. To talk to. I wanna have somebody. Wanna have
For
somebody.
this one, we will have to be typing the letters one by one. So I'm gonna type first A, and then I'm gonna tap the highlight button twice, transparent one. So I'm gonna choose this one. So let's start with A, and then I'm gonna choose the shade anywhere in the photo.
I wanna have somebody that's the bed to myself. Nobody's stealing covers. I like to drink to myself, so I'ma have another. No, I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes
I will be adding some of my, personal doodle stuff. I'm gonna do that line, and then I'm gonna...
And it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to. Somebody to talk to. I like to drive by myself. So
this photo, I am the subject, so I'm gonna try to copy the shape of my hat on the side using the brush tool. Then my face.
something to talk on. And it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. I just want somebody.
And then I'm just gonna type on mood using different fonts.
To talk to. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have
Outlining, you can use either the brush tool or the highlight tool. For this photo that I am using right now for this video, I'm going to be using the brush tool in color white. So all you have to do is outline the subject again and again.
oh, cool. And it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody.
Afterwards, I'm going to use the eraser tool.
Somebody to talk to talk to.
Then I want to add words on this one, so I want to type positivity.
Just want somebody. Somebody to talk to. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool.
So that is the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you like this kind of videos, don't forget to comment in the comment section, and see you in my next video. Bye, guys!